Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another video. That we in Sunday we go to visit every places. So we are back in Kachura in Upper Kachura Lake. So I will show you the beautiful places and we are our families here. So let's go. Okay, Banin, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very well, and you?
I'm also feeling well. Look, in Upper Kachura Lake here are parking area, hotels and shops are here, and we are going to down. But we are nearby Upper Kachura Lake, and here is parking area, shops.
Yes, there's big parking here, and I think almost there are 10 parking spaces in Upper Kachura Lakeside, and I hope you are also enjoying with us. So let's go to enjoy our journey.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, there are so many shops, and we can get from here Lays, cold drinks, all type of stuffs here.
So guys, here is dry fruits in Upper Kachura Lakeside. The man is
Selling these dry fruits.
Yes, here is honey, apricot, and all the dry fruits here. If you come in this area, please buy the dry fruit because they are very tasty and
looking
healthy for our health.
Yes, and looking so much fresh. I think it is for only tourists and local people. Thanks.
So guys, this is the main gate and we are going inside the Upper Kachura Lake. So let's come. Let's go.
That's written welcome to Upper Kachura Lake. So let's go. So guys, these T-shirts and premium cars are available here, and this is tourist cars, and it is good for this road, and it is matching for this road. I have already
And here is big
bed
parking
road.
area, beautiful nature place. And
With
we are going.
trees. I think people like to visit here. I think 1,000 and lakhs people come here to visit, and today we are also in here tourists. So let's go. Come. Okay, guys. Here's available our traditional pouch, hats, and clothes.
And lockets.
Yes, lockets also, and it is very
Beautiful,
famous.
Yes, it
And
is so famous.
This is our cultural clothes, and I also
If you are coming in Upper Kachura Lake, so buy these clothes and the lockets. Thanks.
yes.
Look guys, we are wearing these hats and natural hats, traditional hats, feeling traditional. And here are thousands curl and lockets, beautiful lockets you can see.
Guys, the people are very honest and they give us these hats.
Yes,
Because
it's
they know
very
that
best
we are
quality
YouTubers
and
and,
you all, if you come
we
here,
make
so
vlog.
buy these hats, very good quality. I have that message for you. Thanks.
The seller is not flirting with you. This is very not expensive. It is reasonable price. So buy this. I will suggest you only that. Thank you very much. Guys, please share in comment that am I looking pretty or dirty. I think I'm not looking good with this hat.
Pretty, you are very pretty.
Really?
Right.
What?
African.
I'm looking like African. No, that's not fair. And guys, there are also clothes matching with these heads, with lockets and all stuffs. Guys, in our area of Upper Kachura Lake, there are only dry fruits, and this uncle is friend of my grandfather, and they are talking with each other in their mother language. So they are also buying the same thing. But there's, I think, more stuffs than another ones. Come here. I will.
So guys, look here, all there is traditional foods and honey.
Yes, this is apricot oil, and I think this is toffees.
Yes,
Wheat is the
and-
shape of rocks.
Yes, and here is dry fruits.
What is this, Sam? What is this? Come here. Come here. What is this? I don't know. If you know, share in comment. What is that?
And what is that?
Guys, there is Gurunas, and
Yes,
I think
everywhere
in
is
Punjab, in
Gurunas.
all Sindh, there are come tourists to visit here with us. They are going from there, and so much greenness. I like this place so much. Guys, this is all
Old houses.
Yes.
You know that all the houses made up of stick. And here is one cow. I think they made with dirt and sticks.
wood sticks, but
Yes.
it is not looking good. I think in few minutes it will be
Broke.
yes.
So we are going downside. It's take 6 minutes to our journey.
Yes, there is
By
written
walking.
on the board in Urdu that legs way in Urdu
Jeel ka
Jeel ka rasta. Let's go.
So guys, we are nearby Upper Kachura Lake, but you know that in all our
Upper Kachura
travel
Lake
there are dry
fruits.
fruits, but here is dry fruit, but here is traditional hat, and
This
you
is
can
our
see
cultural
dry
hat.
fruits all type. But look at this, the shells, beautiful shells, white, black.
This is
and-
our very expensive rocks.
yes, expensive like a diamond. This one is very expensive, I think, beautiful, and these all are also beautiful. And here is another dry fruit, cloud. Okay, and here are lockets.
Without
You
this,
can
our
see,
culture is not going to be complete because.
but
this is
I
our-
don't know what is this in all place. I am seeing it, but I don't know what is
about
it.
this one.
Yes, you can see the lockets. Oh, wait a while. Look, beautiful. And I have message that tourists will come here and buy the lockets and shell. Maybe it's very important. And the hat, traditional hat, it is our
Yes.
rule of our old peoples. So thank you.
Guys, there's written welcome to Adventure Ghazi Restaurant, Upper Kachura, Upper Lake Kachura.
Finally, we are here and
Yes,
we are
over
going.
there are airlift. Inshallah, as soon as possible, we will also ride on the.
Yes, we are going
airlift.
outside on the lake.
I'm very excited for that, but there are, I think,
Let's go.
120 slides, stairs. We have to come down. So let's go.
So we are here and we are going to downside on the lake. So we are here. Let's go.
I have remembered that there was horse, and today here's not horse.
I think there's a fish. Cameron said that there is fish.
Let's see.
Come on, we will show you fishes.
So we are going to on Upper Kachura Lake. We are
in the hotel.
We are going downside and
Yes,
we
there
are
are
here in
fish.
hotel. And I think here is fish. So Banin, what do you think about these hotels?
Yeah, it is 3 floor. There's, I think people can stay here for 1 day or 2 days. I think on week people can stay here to rest.
Yes, here is, I think all the food is here available
There's
and all the men can stay here.
Yes, the man can stay here, and a very beautiful setting here with pure water is there.
And
Very
we are
nice
feeling
hotel.
very good.
All type of dishes we can eat.
So guys, this is the inside of the kitchen of the hotel. The man get fish on down and give here they cook fish, and here is food available. I think they can stay on up floor, but it is the kitchen of it. They cook and receive them.
Recipes. But I think the men are very hardworking because they sleep here with there's a bed.
Yes,
That's not funny. That's not funny, but I am laughing.
thank you. And the owner of this hotel is he. Okay, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
What's your name?
Iftikhar Ghazi,
Okay, Itohar Ghazi. Did you build this hotel?
Adventure Ghazi Resort.
Okay, Adventure Ghazi Resort, the name of the hotel. Okay, here are receptioners and the owner we meet here, and very beautiful. This hotels were best and beautiful fish is available here and our food. Beautiful place to sit and stay. Thanks. So guys, we are going to downside.
Guys, if you are also fat, I see the girl there that was so much fat. If you are also fat, then it is sure that you will lose your 2 kg or kilo, whatever.
Yes. So finally, guys, we are here in lake, upper lake side, and here is motorbike, motor boat, and we are here on lake. I am feeling very best.
now go.
Guys, all my suggestion is for you that in all my video I told you that don't put your wrappers or other things in water. Look at that, there are wrappers inside. I feel very bad to seeing this.
Yes.
So bad, guys. Inshallah, we will ride on boats.
Let's go.
What?
Let's go.
So guys, we meet the owner of the adventure club of the Ghaziabad Upper Kachura Lake, the boat company, and I am feeling very bad to talk him, and very well person got boating owner. Thanks.
Guys, he is the owner of the boat Ghazi Adventure Boating Club. So the price is not expensive; it is reasonable
Yes.
price. So I will suggest you that come here and visit on his boat.
Yes.
Ride on his boat. Thank you very much.
We are going to a boat.
So guys, we are ready on Adventure Ghazi board color. It is very safety. Lifeguards. She is very honest when he gives permission. He is not taking us rupees. Only free. He is not charging money. But sitting in balance. He is very honest. Please, one like for him, please. So guys, this is safety jacket, and we are going into water. I'm so scared because it is raining, and also the water waves are coming. Oh my god! Nowhere, nowhere! Let's go! Oh, finally! So guys, we are going. Look. I'm so scared. Look at the water, are so beautiful. Yes.
We will take only one round.
I'm going upside.
I remember last time I was on the board.
Guys, man, ngay trong quầy mình nè, giờ building rồi ba.
Oh guys, he is on the top. Look at him. He is not scary.
Very scary here. Look, I am the top of it, but it is feeling very beautiful. Do not touch on water, Atif.
Let's go.
Hey guys, I am here on the top of it, feeling very well.
Oh, the men are fishing.
But we forgot to bring our fishing rods. It's so bad that. We will dead. So guys, feeling very better and scary because we are in the center of it, and you can see. Oh my god, I am the top of it. Oh my god, my head.
The waves are coming with us.
Look at me.
Look at me. Please, one
Feeling
more
very
round.
better.
One more round. Woo. Nice, 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 nice.
And we are near to the end. So guys, thank you to you to give share us for free. And I am telling my friends and relatives that on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube that they come here because this is very discount. They
give discount.
yes to us.
Not discount, sometimes free.
Adventure Ghazi Resort.
Yes, they are so.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much from myself.
And
I'm
myself
very
too.
thankful to you that you do this all of for us. We
And
are
I
a
am
small
very
YouTuber, but he do this all of for us. I'm very thankful to him.
Thanks. Guys, after finishing our beautiful journey on board, I am so happy. I think it is lunchtime, and Sunday to Sunday we visit all the places. Inshallah, next Sunday we will go a more beautiful place. So subscribe, and share.
If you wanna say something that we should go where, then share in comment. We should go where in next Sunday.
Yes, in Pakistan. Thank you for like and subscribing me.